How's it? My name's John Kaipo, technician at Kaipo Nissan, and right here is a 2021 Platinum Reserve Nissan Titan that we just lifted. For this 2021 Nissan Titan, we went with a 6-inch rough country lift kit, which includes drop brackets, strut spacers, rear blocks, and rear shocks. For the wheels and tires, we decided to go with fuel rims 20x10s and mud terrain fuel tires 35x12.5. This fully loaded 2021 Platinum Reserve Titan comes with a full leather interior, a panoramic moonroof, bed storage compartments, and a retractable bumper stand. How's it? John Kaipo again. Check out this 2021 Nissan Titan and much more at kaiponissan.com. Easy to reach, down by the beach.